Hey everyone! If you're tired of wasting money on wigs that just don't deliver, you're in the right place. I bought and tested 5 of the best human hair wigs out there so you don't have to. Let's dive into these reviews for a real look at what's worth your hard-earned cash. Product number 1. Pizzazz 13x6 Body Wave Transparent Lace Front Wig. I recently got my hands on the Pizzazz 13x6 Body Wave Transparent Lace Front Wig, and let me tell you, it was a game changer. At 26 inches long, I felt like a total diva. The first thing that struck me was how soft and natural the hair felt. Made from 100% unprocessed Brazilian virgin human hair, it was cut directly from young girls, which means no synthetic fibers or weird smells. The HD transparent lace is remarkable. It seamlessly blended into my scalp, making it look like the hair was growing straight from my head. I could style it in various ways, middle part, side part, or even a high ponytail, thanks to the large 13x6 lace area. One of my friends even asked if I had grown my hair out. On the pros side, the density is impressive at 180%, ensuring that the wig is thick and full. I didn't experience any tangling or shedding after multiple wears, which is a huge plus. Plus, the pre-plucked hairline and baby hairs made styling a breeze. I also love the adjustable straps and combs inside the cap, which made it fit snugly without feeling too tight. However, it's worth mentioning that the wig is a bit on the heavier side due to its thickness, which might take some getting used to. So why should you buy this wig? If you're looking for something versatile, high quality, and that gives off a natural look, this is it. It's perfect for everyday wear or special occasions, making it a great investment for anyone looking to elevate their hair game. Product number 2. The Amloot 30-inch Deep Wave Lace Front Wig. This one caught my eye with its stunning deep curls and incredible density of 200%. Right out of the box, I was amazed at how bouncy and full it felt. The hair quality is top-notch, made from 100% human hair sourced from healthy young girls. The curls are defined but not overly tight, giving it a beautiful, natural wave. The HG lace was another highlight. It's incredibly soft and blends seamlessly into my skin tone, which really enhances the natural look. I love that it comes pre-plucked with baby hairs, making it easy to style without extra fuss. The cap size is average, fitting most people well, and the adjustable straps and combs inside ensure that it stays secure on your head. However, I did notice a bit of shedding when I brushed it out, but it was minimal and manageable. Why buy this wig? If you love long, voluminous curls that scream glamour, this is the wig for you. Whether it's for a night out, a party, or just to feel fabulous every day, the Amloot wig delivers on all fronts. Product number 3. 13x6 Body Wave Lace Front Wig by Smabber Beauty. I tried the Smabber Beauty 13x6 Body Wave Lace Front Wig. This wig is one of the most affordable options I found, yet it doesn't skimp on quality. The first thing I noticed was how soft and healthy the hair felt. It's 100% unprocessed Brazilian virgin hair, so you can tell it's real. The body wave style is gorgeous and gives off a relaxed vibe, perfect for casual or formal settings. The HD transparent lace was a pleasant surprise. It melted into my skin beautifully, and the large lace area really allowed for versatile styling options. I found it easy to create a natural-looking part, whether I wanted a side or middle part. The density is 180%, making it full and luxurious, but it's not heavy on your head at all. I did experience a bit of tangling after wearing it for a while, but a quick brush through usually solved that issue. So why should you consider this wig? If you're on a budget but still want a high-quality option that looks and feels great, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for everyday, special occasions, or even as a gift for someone special. Product number 4. Wear & Go Glueless Bob Wig by UVV. Let's talk about the Wear & Go Glueless Bob Wig. As someone who often struggles with wig application, I was thrilled to find this option that promised a quick and easy installation. This 14-inch bob is perfect for those who want a chic and low-maintenance look. Right out of the box, I was impressed by how soft and shiny the hair was. It's made from 100% unprocessed Brazilian human hair, which means it's not only durable, but also feels incredibly natural. The glueless design is what makes this wig stand out. It's pre-plucked and pre-cut, making it a breeze to put on. I literally took less than 3 minutes to install it. The adjustable band and combs inside ensured that it fit comfortably without slipping. The body wave style adds a touch of elegance, and I loved how versatile it was for casual outings or more formal events. One con, however, was that it didn't have as much volume as I expected. It's definitely more of a sleek look. Why buy this wig? If you're someone who wants a stylish look without the hassle of traditional wig application, this bob is perfect for you. It's convenient, chic, and definitely a confidence booster for any occasion. Product number 5, 30-inch 13x6 straight lace front wig by Munong. I tried the 30-inch 13x6 straight lace front wig by Munong. Straight hair can be tricky, but this wig nailed it. The length is stunning and the hair has a soft and silky finish. It's made from 100% unprocessed human hair cut directly from young girls, meaning it's both natural looking and high quality. The first time I wore it, I felt like a model on a runway. The HG lace is a game changer. It blends so well with my skin tone that it looks like my own hair. The density is full and thick, which I appreciate because it doesn't feel flimsy at all. The wig also has plenty of styling options. I tried a high ponytail and it held beautifully without any slipping. One downside is that it does require a bit of maintenance to keep it looking sleek and shiny, but that's to be expected with longer wigs. So why should you consider this wig? If you want a classic, elegant look that can be styled in various ways, this is the perfect choice. It's suitable for any occasion, from casual to formal, and it makes a fantastic gift for family or friends. In conclusion, all 5 of these wigs offer something unique and are worth considering for anyone looking to enhance their hair game. Whether you prefer long waves, chic bobs, or sleek straight styles, there's a perfect option for you. Remember to choose one that fits your lifestyle and needs. Happy wig shopping!